wait until March, we're going to go insane.
Oh.
It's very early, like popcorn, this mooning, like face ripping, and you're like, oh, straight up to the incredible heights, like 100x to like maybe 50x or something like that. We're going to see some unbelievable movements.
Today for the Bitcoin price with DavinciJ15, we have an urgent update for all Bitcoin and altcoin holders out there. We will talk about the fact that Bitcoin right now went back below 10,000 US dollars, why this might be a good thing, especially for the 11,000 US dollar target, and also after the Bitcoin update, which is extremely important for the immediate short term, we will also talk about the altcoin section and the fact that DavinciJ15 was so far able to double his money on multiple altcoins, and also his exact game plan and strategy how to rule the altcoin market in the immediate short term. Guys, you do not want to miss out on that. Take a seat, watch the whole episode through, make sure you smash up the like button right now. And that being said, we want to come to the most important question of today. DavinciJ15, straight out of Mexico. How are you doing today, my man?
I'm doing great. Loving the Mexico weather here. I got the Mexican shirt on, right? I'm full Mexican, full-blown Mexican right here.
Quick little joke. Everyone who follows us for the last 1.5 years or so knows whenever Da Vinci is wearing a green shirt, it's good. Whenever he's wearing a red shirt, the prices are going down. So let's hope this is not continuing right now. Da Vinci, thank you so much for taking your time. You are there on vacation for Acapulco and like enjoying your time. You still take your time to update us on this urgent topics here. So thank you so much for that. Let's pull up the charts, and without any further ado, let's get straight into it.
All right, sure. Let's start with the Bitcoin chart, of course, like we always do. Awesome. Okay, so here you can see this line here, and we're gonna make this a little thicker, right? And you can see, because it's a weak, whenever I put a dash line, I consider it a weak trend line because it needs to have another touch point in order for it to be a strong trend line. And so I think we're going to go sideways for the next few days so that we can actually bounce off of this trend line. Look for the daily to go below the 13 AMA on the yellow. This is the yellow line right here. Right now we're at $9,803, and I really think that if we zoom in, I bet you we'll see that something that interesting, that it's probably going to go lower. Yeah, we've got it below the 13 MA on the hourly, the price right now, and it looks like it wants to roll over and go further down. So if you had any longs from before, yeah, they're probably going to get closed out. Hopefully you moved your stops and so that you actually make a profit here. So we're going to have to go, there's going to be a lot of chop here in the next little while. It's going to be interesting. Let's see if we have anything on the 4-hour that says that, hey, you know what, this is going to turn into something bloody. No. So this is going to be a very short, this is just going to be a choppy ride here. We might go a little bit lower to the 9,400. Remember I told people in the last video to keep your longs at the 9,200 level, because you know what, we might do a little, another FU move all the way down to the 9,200 level. So might as well pick up the coins on a cheap and see where it takes you, because I think we're going, once we get past the 10,000 level, it's moving to the 11,000, and then if we touch this trend line, right, that's a good thing, because now we could probably blow past the 11,000, which is the 61.8 level.
So do you think that right now, because of the fact that we have this healthy correction, the odds increased for the price to go even above the 11,000 US dollar level? Is it that what you mean, or is it just my bullish subconscious mind telling me that?
Yeah, I'm just saying, well, as for the alt, I'm just saying that all I'm saying is that this thing's going to touch the trend line and most likely break through the 61.8. Whether that has anything to do with the alts, it would actually help the alts if Bitcoin actually goes sideways or down. Unfortunately, right, would help the alts a lot to go mooning. But they're going up no matter what. Like no matter what Bitcoin does, they're going up. So if Bitcoin goes up, right, it's going up. The alts are going up, and they won't go up as much if Bitcoin goes up. That's the only thing. But they're going. They've already left. They've already like fueled up and they're ready to go. Right? They got the fuel in there. And you know what? Since we're talking about the alts, I don't want people buying up here. Like if you saw this Dogecoin taking off, a lot of coins are doing this, taking off, right? Do not be a buyer here. Look, out here. If you saw it taking off, you're probably going, "Oh my God, I'm missing it, I'm missing it." And all you had to do is do the 61.8 again, right here. Just the 61.8 is your friend. Use it. Use it to your advantage, right? Look at that. Comes right back to you. Just use it right here, 61.8, right? And if it doesn't come, you know, find another altcoin that does it.
Exactly.
Because they all do the same thing.
Just go on coinmarketcap.com. Look on the top left corner. There are 5,000 cryptocurrencies out there. You just pickpock some of the top 100, top 200 ones and check out if there's still like possibility to get in at the 61.8, right?
That's all it is, exactly. And you don't have to like chase anything, because when you chase, you're actually going to liable to get hurt, right? Because I mean, this thing, the train is taking off, but you know what? If you try to jump on it whilst it's taking off, you're liable to get run over. So consider that.
Also, DaVinci, very, very quickly, you mentioned, first of all, everyone is right now freaking out because the $10,000 level was so important from a psychological standpoint. The price right now breaking below makes the people to react to the different sides. So right now they are panicking and they think that we are going lower and lower. But you cannot see a downside for the Bitcoin price much lower than 9,200. And you think that this retracement is a good thing and it increases the odds actually for an 11,000 price target and beyond, right?
Exactly. The daily, I forgot to mention that the daily has no kind of divergence. So the daily is very positive. Even if it breaks below the 13 EMA, there's a lot of positive action on the daily chart. So, I mean, I don't see any kind of negativity when it comes to the Bitcoin price. So look for something really great.
Wow.
Really
All
great.
right. And also, guys, for the altcoins, as you DaVinci already heard, he already doubled on his money on some altcoins, and he thinks this is going to continue in the future. If you have your favorite altcoins, scroll down to the comment section and leave, you know what, up to 2 altcoins. They have to be in the top 150. This is the condition, and they need at least like decent volume to be considered. And then, guys, if you see your favorite altcoin, just upvote your different altcoins, because we take the most upvoted ones. Maybe in the future, in a future episode, we can make some TA on your favorite altcoins, because regarding the DavinciJ15, the altcoin season is not over yet. And that's some good news for people who are trying to hunt down some altcoins.
Early. Wait until March. We're going to go insane.
Oh.
It's very early.
Freak. Wow. So we are talking about like 1.5 or 1 month, at least, more of significant altcoin gains every now and then, right?
Exactly. And it'll all happen probably around the exact same time, probably in a 2-week period where all of them just go like popcorn, just mooning, like face ripping, and you're like, oh, straight up to the incredible heights, like 100x to like maybe 50x or something like that. We're going to see some unbelievable movements in a lot of the alts.
All right. Thank you so much, DaVinci. And I know you are very busy over there, so maybe we wrap it up already very quickly, because before I come to a very important question to you, I just wanted to remind everyone, can you remember when we did our last sponsorship on our channel? It's like 3 or 4 months ago. If you want to support us, simply just scroll down here to our pinned comment and you will find an affiliate section. We have 70% off for NordVPN. It's, in our opinion, the best VPN out there. 3 commerce, you get a discount and a free trial. And of course, guys, once again, also the Bybit link. However, this is only for experienced traders. By clicking that link, though, you get $90 completely for free for your deposit. We have the deposit instructions in the pinned comment, so make sure you check it out, with a lot of love coming from us. Thank you so much for supporting us. And DaVinci, I have a question regarding Pandora's wallet. I know you are on vacation, but are there any updates you would like to share with the people?
Yeah, we're still working on the adding Poloniex, and yeah, we're just. And whenever something goes wrong, we're there, right? I'm even though I'm on vacation, I'm fixing things whenever, because like a lot of the cryptocurrencies, they're not stable and they don't stay up for very long. So I have to like make sure they get the back up and running. But we're always there making sure that every single currency is running 100%. And so yeah, that's the things we're doing. We're gonna have hopefully two exchanges added, and then we're gonna be moving on to adding more cryptocurrency. So I'm looking forward to that.
Amazing, amazing. And also the group connected to Pandora's Wallet on Telegram is growing and growing, guys. You find the Pandora's Wallet link in the pinned comment down below, where you can get access also to DaVinci's free group. By just purchasing 1 month of subscription, that's enough already, and you will fall in love with the product and probably prolong it. And also our MMCrypto Telegram group is in the pinned comment down below. DavinciJ15 is also there. However, he's working a lot on Pandora's Wallet, but sometimes he sneaks in a little bit and has some time. So thank you so much for taking your time, DaVinci. And before we wrap it up, I want to ask you, do you have any last words to share before we wrap up today's episode?
Always pay for a position of strength and don't get wrecked.
Do not get wrecked, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see each other very soon at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.